Hello y'all, how y'all doing today? I'm still out of town, still in Hammond, and I'm making some pecan candy. I thought I'd let y'all see what I'm doing. Another batch of pecan candy this time. Well, it's gonna be shared, but it's not for me. But I'm just checking and I see some of y'all been checking in on me, but I am fine. And I'm making pecan candy. I don't have my Magnalite pot, but I did it before and it came out fine. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm hoping you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. But it's pecan candy time, and I made some lasagna. I'll post some pictures of that. Yep. So I've been being like some little Susie homemaker around here out in these country parts. But that's what I wanted to let y'all know what I was doing. I'll post some pictures as I go with making the candy. Y'all can put y'all orders in. I'm just playing. I'm not about to be making no pecan candy, but that is what I am doing. Just a little peace and quiet, getting my mind together. Had some little rough spots, but y'all know I'm just like. I actually like it out here, but I don't like it out. I don't like because it's so slow and there's nothing really to do. But I guess that's why you make pecan candy and you be doing stuff like this. You be cooking and getting fat and stuff. Nobody don't feed you, but you gotta do this. But I'm at this stage of it. And I guess the order is I gotta put this big old bag of pecans in. I don't know if all that's gonna fit in this little pot. But we'll see. Yes. Ooh, hey, Pookie. I'm not doing, I'm just being regular old me. I'm like back in the day, they got me in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. I'm back in the kitchen again. If y'all don't know, I was once a restaurant owner, and people always want to get me back in the kitchen. But that's not my flow no more. So, I don't know. I'm mixing right now. I'm going to be mixing for a while, but... So it's getting thick. Let me see if I can put it like this. That's the candy. It's not my pot. It's not my spoon. I would use a wooden spoon, but you could use whatever. It'll get the job done. So y'all can do that. And you got to babysit the pot and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. So that is what I am doing today. I am making pecan candy on an electric stove. I hate electric stoves. I hate it. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. So, but I was just checking in with y'all so y'all can know I'm A-okay. And I have some nice pictures to share, but not New Orleans, but still doing some New Orleans inspired things and some womanly stuff. But I'll check in with y'all in about probably 15 minutes as I keep stirring my pot. I can't hold and do this, and I don't have anything to hold my things up. Why am I hoarse? I'm kind of hoarse. But thank y'all for coming on. I guess y'all want some candy. If you want to have a pecan candy order, I guess I gotta talk to some people to see how much they charge for pecan candy. I could probably do that as my side little job. I used to do it back in the day. But I'll check in with y'all once this is almost thick and let y'all know how that's going. So, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye.